Their role in the formation or the constitution of the Parliamentary Commission is to the effect that they nominate a member of Parliament from the opposition. The Speaker is saying, after nominating the House, all members of Parliament have to elect or to agree to the nomination, meaning actual people who elect a commissioner are members of Parliament. That's why the law gives Parliament procedure for removal of a commissioner. It doesn't give a political party that power. In this case of Honorable Mpuuga, it is NUP that nominated. The actual voters of Honorable Mpuuga are the members of Parliament. It's not NUP. So let NUP accept the position of the law. If they want to be a law-abiding party. If it is politics, NUP is free to play their politics in their party, but not again drag in the institution of Parliament to the politics.
That means you signed. Yeah.